Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archika from hashtagsandkeywords.com, and I'm back again with another video which is about how you can create a new account on Gmail. So let's take a look. Okay, so if you've decided to create a new Gmail account and you're looking forward for the options of how you can do so, in that case, the first thing you need to do is to look for Gmail and go to their sign in page, and the sign in page looks like this. Here at the bottom left corner of the form, you'll see this option create account. You need to click on it once. Upon clicking on it, it will then give you two options. One is for myself and the second option is to manage my business. So if you're looking forward to create an account for your personal usage, and you just want to use it for yourself, in that case you need to select for myself. But yeah, if you want to create an email account for your business, and you're willing to, send all the emails for business purposes, in that case, you can use to manage my business. So for now, I'm going to click on for myself over here. After clicking on for myself, Google will take you to this page where you'll notice this form where you need to, fill your details over here, the first name, last name, username, etc. So let's start, filling this form over here. I'm gonna put my name over here, and let's, try my website name, hashtagsandkeywords.com. But I'm gonna create test. Let's see if it takes it, and the password. Now, once you're done filling this form, you need to click on next button. After clicking on next button, it will again take you to this another page, and here you need to enter your phone number, which is optional, and this says recovery email address. In this box, it is optional as well, but if you already have an existing email account, it is always best to enter it as recovery email address, because there are times when we just forget the password or some incidents. In that case, Google always let us take over our account by using the recovery email address. So yeah, it is a very good exercise to use your previous or existing email address as a recovery email address. So for now, I'm gonna leave it blank as it is just a test Gmail account that I'm creating right now. And next, yeah, you need to fill in your birthday date. I'm gonna select some random dates over here. No, these are not my birthday dates. So in this box, you need to select your gender. So yeah, I'm gonna select female over here. And then, you just need to click on this next button once you're done filling the information in these boxes. I'm gonna click on next right now. So after clicking on next button, now Google will take you to their privacy and terms page where all of their terms are listed. Over here you need to scroll down. If you want to read all the terms, you can definitely read, because it's a good exercise, because by reading it you know what you are signing up for. But if you want to skip it for now, you just need to click on it, I agree button over here. So yeah, I'm gonna click on I agree button right now. So as soon as you click on I agree button, this is how your window will look like. You now have successfully created your Gmail account. Because this is their new product, it is gonna highlight as soon as you get into your Gmail account. So I'm gonna click got it. So yeah, you can customize your Gmail by customizing your inbox, by adding profile picture, import contacts and mail. If you do have any existing email, you can always import contacts from there. And get Gmail for mobile, you can always download the app and can sync your Gmail account over there on your phone. And yeah, this is their panel where you can see all the inbox, outbox, draft, your emails. And these are the three tabs, which are primary email, social, promotion. You can always label your emails wherever you want to send your emails over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you create your Google account. This is the email you always receive by default from Google when you create a new account.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful and informative. If so, please spread the word by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. For more such informative articles, browse through my blogs on hashtagsandkeywords.com. Have a good day.